behind me is Heddal Stave Church in Norway. This church is about 800 years old, so going by that alone is pretty impressive. But even more impressive, it's all done by wood. The only bit of metal in there is the key lock. Come on, let's have a look. Right, come. Look, have a look there. See that black stuff? That is tar. They use that to protect it. Let's go look at more wood. It's more wood, but metal. The only bit of metal. Actually, that's also wood. That's wood. Oh wait, this is metal, I think.
No, that's metal.
No, but that bit's wood.
That's metal.
That's wood.
No, that's wood.
That's wood.
Yeah, it is wood.
This part's wood. This part, this is metal. Metal. Wood, metal. You smell that? The lovely aroma of wood in the sun. Come here and I'll show you some more. So this church is the only one as well with the 3 pillars on it, as you can see, and all 3 have crosses on them. However, if you look down this side, you see dragon heads have been carved into the wood here. So that was because in this time of transitioning between Viking and over to Christianity, they didn't want to, they were a bit torn between what to go with here. These bad boys, when they were designing these churches, they used the same influence of those strong structures used in the boats to build these. For that pillar, they used the middle part of a tree, and it was perfectly straight. To get that reinforcement from the wood, they used to cut the tree at the top and let the sap seep through the wood to make it impermeable. Clearly this has worked, as it's lasted the test of time. So 800 years and it's still looking pretty good. Let's have a look inside. Now we're in the outer passageway around the main hall of the church. They said this is where the people would stand if they weren't allowed in, and also leave their weapons outside. But it is incredibly dark. And for that fun, that only costs us £5, in fact less than £5 with the exchange rate, 50 kroner, about £4.50. Not too bad for the largest stave church in Norway. Oh, I forgot to say, there are only 28 stave churches left in Norway. Previously there was about 1,000. Yeah, that's all I was about to say about that.